Okay, and this is the brand new BKT truck, guys. I'm glad I found this one as well. Really cool Mostram, guys. Series 40. Back of it, we know. Of course. Hoping to find, like I said, Megalodon next. And the Toro Loco and the Velociraptor. Pretty cool. And the Chase, of course. There's, guys, BKT. Now, if I can open this, it's going to be easy like the other one. I don't think it is. No. The other one opens so easily. I don't know why. Here it is. Ooh, okay, so this is nice, guys. BKT, guys, Mostram logo. The decals feel kind of like 3D, which is nice. It's like like 3D. BKT tires, guys. Black roll cage, gray chassis. Really nice. Headlight printing, grill printing. BKT, growing together. This is, what's it on top? Growing together on top. Tire tracks. Mostram logo. Growing together, it says on the back. So pretty cool, guys. I'm glad I found this case at the Walmart near me. Hope you'll get the rest soon. Okay, guys, got one more truck to go. Peace out.